Traders, we got a new week ahead of us. Let's take a look at what's moving this morning. Momo down about 7%. That's going to be in play this morning. BA was in the news. Didn't move much, but got about 50,000 trades pre-market. APC's moving down 1%. Spot's in the news this morning. We're over 4.5%. It was earnings this morning. Disney's up. It's looking pretty good. We got quite a few here we can work with. Nothing I really love, but we got something we can work with here. Let's take a look at the market this morning. The SPY, it's up at the top, pretty close to all-time highs here, hovering around it. We'll probably see new highs today. Maybe if it does, it should be a good size breakout. If it doesn't, it'll probably be a little pullback, nothing major, I don't think. But we'll see what we can grab out of the market today. CVX, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 116.91. Daily looks great for a short. It's been downtrending pretty consistently for the past month or so. Intraday, didn't do much, but pre-market, it went all the way up to 119, and now it's coming down. So I'm thinking it's going to continue. Stop loss will be over the highs, and target, I like it around 116.50. CVX, all right, it's coming down. Let's see if it could continue. Volume's a little low. I thought it had more volume, but you know what? We're going to try to come out of this right here. CVX, I don't like the way the market's acting here. I came out. I just got out of CVX. I had put an order in, but I just got out market because the market's just too high. It's at all-time highs here, so it's going to break out. So I'm thinking this thing is probably going to shoot up. Out with a 1 cent loser plus commissions. I think it's going to go up here now, so better get out of it. Market's entering new highs. Let's take a look at the SPY here. All-time highs, I think. Should blast right through this here, so that's one of the reasons why I came out of CVX. Here we go. OXY, we're going to take this right here at the ask if we can get in it for a short. All right, we're in. We're in at 60.21. Daily looks really good for a short. Look at this thing. It's been downtrending for a while. It is a little bit stretched out, but it dropped today. Intraday it gaps down and it flushed all the way down to here at the bottom here, like 59.60. Then it had a little rally here, and now I think it's going to turn around here and drop. Market is at all-time highs though, so but this stock isn't really listening to the market today. I think it only had a bounce from the lows because the market was at all-time highs. But stop loss on this will be over 60.50, and target I like it around 59.60 area. OXY, all right, it's coming down. Started to climb a little bit there, but never reached our stop. Now it looks like it's come back to us here. OXY, all right, we're at our stop here. We'll see if it turns around here. If it doesn't, we're just going to come out of it. All right, we're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out with a 15-cent loser. Yeah, should have dropped already. It didn't, so it's giving me an opportunity to get out, so I'm out. Disney, we're going to take this right here for a short if we can get hit. All right, we're in. This looks great here for some more continuation. I don't like the daily, but it's so extended to the top side. It needs a day to breathe, and it looks like today is the breathing day. It's bear flag in here. It's forming a base. I think this thing goes down to, I'm going to say 138.50. Well, that's what we'll take it. And stop loss will be over 140. But it looks good here. I think once it goes below the lows here, this thing will drop. But the daily is scary high. Disney, let's take a look at this thing. It's at our stop area. Looks like I'm going to have another loser here. We'll let it breathe there for a second. It's at last Friday's close, so Could easily bounce there, but it's forming a base. You know, you get a lot of people that start buying here, and they'll put their stop right below the lows, and you know, it's pretty high up there. So, all right, Disney, it's coming back to us here. Went over to our stop area, but more likely than not, I think it'll drop here. All right, here comes Disney. See if we can get it below 139, and we'll probably just take it. All right, looks like it's moving. It's looking good here. All right, we're gonna take this right here. All right, we're out. We're out for about 40 cents. It's just the market. Market's climbing, and I wanted a bigger, harder drop. Let's take a look at OXY. I think this thing's about ready to tip over here. Yeah, we're gonna take this right here. Second trade on it. All right, we're in. We took it earlier, and we got out with a loss of about 15 cents, but now it's kept grinding higher, and I think it's getting tired now, so it might turn around here and come back down. OXY, it's coming down to us here. Stop's going to be around 60.75. Not going to give it too much. And target, I like it around 60. TSLA, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. If we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 238.21. We got a classic bull flag forming here. So we're going to take this one over 239. And stop loss will be around 237. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's looking really good here. But the market, as soon as I got in it, the market started to drop. I don't like that. But it looks good here for a pop over 239. TSLA, probably going to come out of this soon. I don't like the market here. All right, we're going to come out right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out for about 60 cents. So, oh, and it goes over. Oh, that stinks. I got close to 60 cents on it, but I would have got what I wanted. But I just saw the market dropping, and the daily on this one does not look pretty. The daily looks disastrous. It really does. But, you know, it is cheap. People are going to come in and buy it, and it was at a nice area. But the market was starting to drop, and I'm like, I better get out of this. Let's take a look at OXY. This one's coming down. I'm probably going to come out of this one too. I don't like it anymore. This thing should have dropped already. OXY. We're going to try to come out right here. I don't like this thing anymore. All right, we're out. We're out just for like a 5-cent winner on it. Nothing special. Disney. We're going to take this for another short right here at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in at 139.55. We took it earlier, and we only took about 40 cents from it. But I don't think it's done dropping. We had this good size squeeze here, and it's over the 9 here, so I'm thinking it's just going to drop. One more big drop here. Here it comes. It's looking good. Stop loss will be over 140, and target will be below 139. Now I usually set my stop losses and my targets, but a lot of times I don't reach them, you know, both ways. You know, I don't reach my stop and I get out a little earlier, and I don't reach my target and I get out a little earlier. You know, I'm working on it, but it's hard. Disney, all right. We're pretty much at 139. Once it goes below 139, we're going to take it. You know what? We're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out for another about 55 cents. Right before it breaks out too. Right before it broke down. I just didn't want to leave almost 60 cents on the table, you know, because it's at a whole number there. It could easily bounce, you know. But there it goes. Look at that thing. Now it's dropping. That's twice. I only got half the move on this one today. Twice. TSLA. All right, this thing is really extended here. We're going to take this for a short at the ask. Get a quick pullback. All right, we're in it. We're in at 240.66. It does not look good for a short as far as the intraday, but the daily, look at this thing. This thing is hurting. We're selling into strength here. So stop loss will be over 141.50 and target will be around 138.50. But it is a little extended here, so I'm thinking it's going to take a breather and it'll drop. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We took it earlier for a long and we would have got a heck of a lot more, but I got out. I chickened out and just took like 60 cents out of it. Now I'm going to try to ride this thing down. I'm going to try to ride this thing down to at least 239.50. All right, TSLA, it's coming down. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. Let's get it somewhere around 239.50. It is strong, so I don't want to be too greedy with it. All right, here we go. Let's take it right here if we can get it. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice, I'll take that. About close to 90 cents. It's probably going to continue a little bit, but intraday it's pretty strong, so, and it had been running up for a while. Oh, and there it goes. Ah, now it's dropping hard. But that's going to be it for me today. I don't really see anything else I like. I want to keep it green, so we're up 335. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner on TSLA and our biggest loser on OXY. Thanks for watching.